Workflow approvals. Often business needs maximized efficiency involving several people for the approval of the key documents, and since businesses couldn't be run by only one person, it requires approval from several stakeholders, which leads to time-consuming and delay process. Not only that, an org needs workflow hierarchy for the different process based on the items, and in addition, fixing the limit for approval is mandatory. For example, capital assets need special approval from the top management, and while handling this process manually, the results would be time-consuming, as sometimes the process might get delayed due to non-availability of concerned authority. Physical movement of document from one table to another delays the approval process, and that might lead to possibility of losing the document at times. Document couldn't be tracked in time whenever needed. To overcome all the challenges, digitization of the workflow process is necessary. 1. Enables capability to define the workflow. 2. To execute different processes against each workflow. 3. Setting approval limits for each process by individual persons. 4. Easily be traced at times. 5. Email, SMS and instant alert notifications once the process is completed. 6. Sending relevant document upon approval via email to both internal as well as external parties. Receives purchase order from the buyer. While the purchase requester places the purchase order, the purchasing manager receives a notification of approval, and once approved, the order is automatically emailed to the supplier. The bank payment voucher is sent to the finance manager. Once approved, the system automatically sends the bank payment document to the supplier. Likewise, the bank receipt is sent to the financial manager. As soon as it is approved, the system automatically sends the bank document to the customer. Roadmap's automated approval workflow eliminates manual approval by automatically forwarding the request to the concerned people. When requester raises the purchase order with a predefined configuration, the purchase order will be sent to the supervisor for approval, for which the system will send a notification to the supervisor's mobile through SMS and send an email. If the document is rejected, it would be sent to the requestor for correction, which needs no manual follow-ups. No matter where, the supervisor can review the document through the portal or ERP system, and upon which it could be sent for the final approval. Final approver approved the document. Mail and other notifications will be sent to the concerned authority, and that expedites the process, avoiding delay. This doesn't just apply to purchase process alone. Instead, Roadmap ERP notification and approval systems can be used for various stages of the manufacturing process. Please continue to follow us to know more about workflow approval. Please feel free to contact us to have a demo of our software, or visit us at www.roadmapit.com.